Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Army Public School Piyamekaku Resource Network. Before going in details, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon for further notifications. The name of the chapter is Numbers 2000 and the subtopic which we cover in this lesson are number pattern, odd and even numbers. After watching this video, you will be able to complete the numbers pattern, predicting what number come next in the pattern by counting on or counting back, and recognize odd and even number. What is a number pattern? Number pattern is a sequence in a series of number. Means the numbers must be in a sequence. Now, what are the steps for completing number pattern? There are two steps. By following these steps, you can complete the given pattern. The first step is see the first few number. You have to check the number on its places, at which place the number is changing. Means first you have to check at ones place. Is the number is changing on a one place? Then go on the tens. Is the number is changing on a 10 place? Or is the number is changing on a 100 place? Then the next step is see the difference between consecutive numbers. Now I will explain this by some examples. Look at the number pattern. 45, 46, 47, 48. What will be the next? As you can see, there is a change of number on ones place. 4, 4, 4 on the tens place are same, and the number on ones place are changing. 5, 6, 7 and 8. You have to find the next number. The second step is find the difference. There is a difference of one number. You can see 5, 6 and it is increasing. And the next number will be 49. In the second pattern, we have the numbers 54, 55, 56, 57 and you have to find the next number. This is the same. The number on the ones place is changing and the number on the tens place is same. So the next number after 57 is 58. These are the simple numbers. Then go on the next pattern in which the numbers are little bit difficult. They are in hundreds. 234, 235, 236. You have to find the next number, which will be 237. In this pattern also the number is changing on ones place and there is a difference of one number. It is onward counting. Now there are some more examples and you have to look at these examples carefully and find the difference between the previous pattern and this pattern. Look at the number pattern. The number pattern is 100, 99, 98, 97. In this pattern, the number is also changing on the ones place. That is 0, 9, 8 and 7. Means in this pattern, the counting is backward. So the next number will be 96. In the next example, we have 129, 128, 127, 126. In this pattern, the number is changing on the ones place. The numbers on tens place and 100 place are same. And now you have to find the difference. The difference is of one number, but it is backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6. Then what will be the next number? 5. And number will be 125. Another example, 395, 385, 365, 355. You have to find the number after 385. In this example, you can see the number on ones place are same. They are 5. And the number on tens place are changing. They are 9. After 9 there is 8. What will be after 8? 7. So number will be 375. Next number is 365 and 355. By this way, this pattern will be complete. Odd and even numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 or have these number on its ones place. For example, 13, 25, 135. You can see on ones place the numbers are 3, 5 and 5. So the numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 on its ones place, they are odd number. There is another way of finding the odd number is odd things cannot be put in a pairs. You can see here is a one smiley face. This face have no friend or no pair. So 1 is odd number. Next we have 3 smiley face. 2 are friend but 1 is left. It does not have a pair, so 3 is a odd number. Next we have 5 smiley face. There are 2 pairs but 1 left. So 5 is a odd number. So how you can identify an odd number? The numbers which cannot be put in a pairs, they are called odd numbers. What are the even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 or have these numbers on its ones place. For example, 14, 26, 138. As you can see, on ones place numbers are 4, 6 and 8. That's why these numbers are even numbers. Even things can be put in pairs. There is another way of finding the even numbers, that if the number can be put in pairs, so the number will be even. For example, there are 2 smiley face. They are friends. No one is left. So 2 is even number. There are 4 smiley face. There are 2 pairs of the friends. So 4 is a even number. Then we have 6 smiley face. All have pairs. So 6 is a even number. By this way, you can find the number is even or odd. If they can be put in a pair, they are even. If anyone is left, then that number is odd.